Hey everybody, this is Larry, this is me going with Q3 of the weekly contest 377, minimum cost to convert string 1. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me in Discord, let me know what you think about this one. This one is a medium, this one is kind of reasonable. I think the tricky part, and we go over Q4 and Q4 obviously, but I think this one is just more of a reading issue, if you ask me. I don't know why it took so long. I think I was just a little bit I think it just cost me I think I just took like it took me 6 minutes, but I just did a lot of I slowed myself down and make sure I read it correctly, and I think I spent some time also looking at this one and Q4 and make sure that they're if I can do both. It turns out I cannot, but maybe I can. I don't. I think actually I could. Oh wait, no. I don't think I can. Huh. But in any case, yeah, my code does not work for both, so they're two distinct problems. But yeah, but the idea here is in a way greedy, right? There's really not much about it. Or not. I don't even know if greedy is the right. It is kind of greedy in the way that shortest path problems are greedy, but non-negative shortest paths are greedy. But basically, you just do it for each character, and they're independent. They don't. None of the characters affect each other. So for every character, you just go, okay, well, you match an A to an A, B to a C, C to a B, and so forth, right? And you basically just look it up, and then now you have these basically have a distance graph, right, of original and changed, and they're all one character. So you just have to create a shortest path thing. Nothing to it. I mean, that's pretty much the entire code. That's pretty much the entire idea. And then we could code it. And basically, the way that I did it is with Floyd Warshaw. I keep forgetting this though when I go to Floyd Warshaw. I'm not going to go over Floyd Warshaw in this video, and you don't even need Floyd Warshaw per se. You can use like repeated Dijkstra or something like this, or whatever, or there are a couple of ways you can do it as long as you don't repeat work, right? But yeah, but what I did use Floyd Warshaw to create the shortest path, and of course this is going to be O of A to the third, A where A is the size of the alphabet. Technically, I usually use alpha, but I don't have a Greek keyboard, I think. Excuse me. But yeah. And this is just a helper to convert a character to a number from 0 to 26 or 25, and this is basically all. This is just Floyd Warshaw after setting up the cost from the original array, and then after that, as I said, it's just one character at a time. If it's an infinity, that means you cannot get there, you return -1. Otherwise, you just add the cost and then you sum up all the costs. The complexity of this is going to be, well, this is linear, right? This is O of n. This is O of a cubed, like I said, alpha cube. So this is going to be O of n plus alpha cube time. And space is going to be O of n. Do I have O of n actually? Maybe I lied. O of 1 for this part plus a square for space, which is a square, right? Or alpha square, if you would prefer that. Yeah, that's pretty much all I have for this one. Basically, shortest path and then one at a time. I think this is pretty straightforward in terms of understanding, but definitely if assuming that you know how to use Floyd Warshaw, but let me know in the comments if I'm missing any kind of things you would like me to go over that is not Floyd Warshaw. But yeah, because I don't know. That's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think, and yeah, you could watch me solve it live during the contest now. What's the difference? Alright, it seems pretty different though. So let's look at this one instead. I wonder how many people got Q2. Good amount. 10 to the 5th. Doesn't seem that bad, right? Can it be 2,000? Here's 26 times 26. It's a bit weird. Hints at the edge case, I guess. This is really bad reading code. It's 10 to the 11. Is this not a mod thing? C to B should be 3. Why is it not 3? AA. This is like the second time I have to debug this. Just put that. Yeah, thanks for watching. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. let me know what you think about this contest. Yeah, stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.